I am in London. I just got to my mom's house and she's not here. Her and Cheyenne went on the road, so I'm just like a sitting duck right now, waiting for them to get back. But yeah, super quick vlog. I just dropped the babe off, came here. I want to go see a few of my cousins on my dad's side who happen to live here. I want to see if Cheyenne is game to tag along because I don't want to make the drive by myself. Yeah, I'll check back in with you guys. Guys, I'm trying to tell Cheyenne that she's gained way too much weight.
Comfort eating, boo.
No, I'm not trying to see your butt. I'm trying to show them this belly.
Cheyenne, big on me.
Oh my God. Guys, look at Pencil. Pencil, so what's up?
Pencil. Yes. Pencil down with this.
What? Guys, Pencil just get tummy tuck, you know?
No more tummy.
Pencil just get tummy tuck.
She name again, it's in different name.
Oh.
My little friend, we have the fat boy.
Dennis.
Done it. No more belly. I tell her me I can't find that.
I just told her she could drive my car. This is the reaction.
Yo, I gotta snap this. Ooh.
Come on, let's go. We don't have a lot of time. Lego. Look at her. Open the damn door. Open the door. Just press the button. Put the key in there.
Oh. What?
Wine for me, baby. Kick out your foot away, you have in stock. Just tight and right, and you have in stock. If you go in a delight, happy nice like you do. Set you for your need, naffy score. Set the ball a door when you wine, watch it.
Good morning, you guys. It is another day in London. I am on my way to go see. I just finished having breakfast at this really cute cafe, and now I am headed to Mom. I've got the windows down, you guys, hence why my hair looks like that. But I love the breeze. So yeah, we're gonna deal with it. Anyway, now we're en route to go see Mommy Dearest. I'm not exactly sure what I'm getting into today, but I will try to take you guys along for the ride. Audi Q5. Really cute car. I love the way it looks, but I'm not sure that I like the way it drives. I think I like my car better. Plus I like bigger trucks. Maybe like a Q7 or something like that. But it's really cute. And my niece loves it. Cheyenne loves it. Freshly squeezed juice, you guys. Orange, apples, and carrots. A lot of carrots. You see how orange it is? But it's so freaking good. The one thing I cannot get used to with England, you guys, is the fact that it just like takes so long to get everywhere, because it's like all these turns, twists and turns. There's no like real direct route to get anywhere. It's hella annoying, man. Hella annoying. Like, what would take me 20 minutes to do in England would take me 5 minutes in the States, because we have so many highways and so many different ways to get there. Whereby here, I feel like you have one or two ways and very few highways. Yeah. Guys, me and Pencil are making a flex. Hey, Pencil.
Hi. Look here, I said, look, you're going to come flat like really people. The girl are flat.
Mommy, just because you're flat
But
doesn't
that
mean
tell
you
look
look
better,
young,
me come young like really penny, because the belly gone now.
Guys,
So we're good to go.
Mommy got a tummy tuck and nobody can talk to her.
Eh.
Mommy swear she after that everybody
Of
right now.
course.
And me, Mommy after that. Oh,
Yeah.
show them the belly, Mommy.
Sit here.
Where the belly there? Where the belly there? Where the belly there? God. Guys, I just ran into a subby. London, you guys. That's so nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Bye, guys. Yes, just ran into a subby, you guys, all the way in London.
Well, you can't hide now.
Can't hide. Yeah, you guys. So Mummy and I are making our way through Brixton Market. We're looking for sugarcane, you guys, because you can actually find the really fat sugarcane in London. Not the skinny, dry up ones that they sell in New York. So we are making our way. And guess what? I just saw a lady making, selling African attire, like with the, I don't know if it's kente cloth or whatever the cloth is called, but I figured I would grab an outfit for Curl Fest because, you know, in New York in the summertime we have these festivals. We have Curl Fest and we have something else. I don't remember, but I got an outfit. Yay! Brixton Mark. Look at pencil. Watch pencil walk. Go on pencil. Go on pencil. Get on the walk, no pencil. Yes, pencil. Yes, goodie. I can't stand my mother. I can't stand my mother, guys. Oh my God. Guys, I've just ran into another subby. Guys, folks in London are so friendly. Like everyone's like, wait.
It. I wouldn't guess that I would meet. That's Mommy.
That's Mommy.
Hi, Mommy. I wouldn't have guessed that I would meet her.
Thank
but
you.
Knowing she's American, she's always in Jamaica. Wow.
Well, we meet.
And we're taking a selfie together.
Yes. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Lovely
Okay?
to meet you again. All right, take care.
All right, hon. Bye.
Where should you from?
Not a vlog. More of a thing large, you know. My thing is large.
I'm tired.
Pencil is tired, you guys. She can't hang right now. Really and truly, she has no business being out. She should be home healing. But gosh, everybody said the new one improved body. Huh? Okay. Gosh, people said the new one improved body. She have to come on. Isn't it? But we can still go on. Thanks, Mom. Oh dear. No, he's gonna call you though. He's gonna call you if you can't get me. Anyway, I walked through Brixton with my good mother. My good mother. Alright guys, now I am back in my car. I actually met Mom in Brixton, so we didn't drive together. She is driving in front of me. I don't know if you can see her up there. But yeah, I'm following her. Yes guys, the love was real in Brixton today, okay? Real in Brixton. Several people stopped me, they're like, wait a minute. Are you SimplyCin? Do you vlog? I'm like, yeah. That's really cool, you guys. Thank you for saying hello, not being too shy, all that good stuff. Yeah, love is real in Brixton. Anyway, now we are on our way to Mom's house.
We go in a the night, happy nice like he do it. Set you by your knee, not his score. Sachi, be your, Chanel, put a two to my boy. Tell you what, hotter than the rest. Frightened of people, afraid of people. Lots of people are be frightened of me. Just hide me in the street and me out at night, but I read Bible for me.
Just made it to Mommy's. I followed her. Oh God, I feel like something is biting me. No, Mommy, the light is at the bottom. Yeah. So Cheyenne broke Mommy's mirror, you guys. She's in here trying to like fix it. Mommy, don't say that. Don't say that. Cheyenne broke Mommy's mirror and she's here trying to fix it. Mommy, just take it to a shop. I don't think you're gonna be able to put it like that.
We can't fix it.
Yeah? What's something wrong with it, Mommy, if it's gonna just fall off like that? Somebody had to swing on it.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, make love or something. I'm one of ocean cabin Cindy.
Oh God, I'm great.
And the mirror up my sky.
No stop. Do not listen to Penso, guys. So, guys, what do you think about this blonde? I was very, very nervous about trying this color, but you guys may recall that I tried a blonde before that I think I got from Eva Wigs. It wasn't this bright. It was very much toned down, and I really like that one. This one though is a regular 613, and I did the roots myself with Wella Tango number 7B or something like that, and I like it. It looks a little crazy right now, you guys, because you know the wind in the car and all that stuff, but I really like the way it came out. I think I'm gonna buy some more 613 and tone that one and see what it looks like. I was gonna do that with this one, but one was like, no, wear it like that. You can't wear it. People darker than you wear blonde, so you can't wear it up on your color. You put down back? Oh, okay. Yeah. Guys, my bra is just not cooperating. This jumpsuit is so, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go hang out until my boo is ready, and then he and I are gonna go touch the road. Guys, I have some London vlogs because literally this is like, I've been to London probably about 8 or 9 times in the last year, and a number of times I've actually vlogged, but I never did anything with it because at the time my computer was acting up and I didn't want to spend the money to buy a new one just yet. So I didn't, but I have a lot of footage from prior trips that I haven't used. You guys let me know if you guys want to see that. Obviously it's a little dated, but still fun to have pencil in it, to have good pencil in it. Yeah, mommy. Give them the wag pencil.
Give them the wag.
Watch out now. Yes, good girl. Yes, goodie. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
No belly.
No belly. Yes, goodie. Belly gone flat like a Winnie Penny. Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. Mommy. We can't have my mother. Bye. Just made it to my mother. Good. Alls. Yes. Yes. Didn't I let now? And for my friends who think that I have a problem with shoes, my addiction comes from this one. Do you see, guys? Do you see? Do you see my mother's shoe collection? Yeah. And as if that's not enough, she's got boxes up to the ceiling over in that corner right there. Yeah. So it's no surprise that I came out with the same problem that she has. Here, mommy. Yeah, I'm gonna give you back your brush. I brought it back. Anyway, I am going to have some sugar cane. I just bought some sugar cane in Brixton. I tried a tiny piece downstairs and it's tough as hell. I think that I might have picked out an old one. I feel like that's when sugar cane is tough. It's like when it's old, yeah? Still I go eat it. Watch your flex. Hey guys, I am back inside from a very long day. I just left the barbecue. I didn't vlog at the barbecue. Due in part because I didn't feel very comfortable. I don't know, I hate vlogging around certain people. Anyway, so I didn't vlog, but I was at a barbecue in Thornton Heath, I believe it's called. And now I am back inside. I'm gonna do Dave's hair. I had like little plaits in there. I took them out this morning. And so tonight we have to wash them and twist them. So I'm gonna do that. He went to go get some honey. So I'm just here catching up on my paternity court because I'm obsessed with paternity court. Am I the only one? Do you guys like it too? I am obsessed with Paternity Court and Judge Judy. Good morning, you guys. It is another day. It is Sunday, May 26th, I believe. Just getting out on the road. Babe and I are about to go do some shopping, and then I have a lot of cousins here, but I have a cousin here who is having a christening for his baby today. I will not make it to the christening, but I will make it to the after session, eats, whatever. So yeah, now I'm just here waiting for Babe to get done doing whatever the heck he's doing so we can get going.
I just want to say to my beautiful daughter, I'm very proud of her. She's taken to motherhood brilliantly. Just want to just say that to her. And
round of applause. Round of applause.
Woo! And thank you, and I appreciate you for looking after my daughter and my grandson. Very appreciated.
And that's another round of applause. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go, Auntie.
And again, I'd just like to say thank you, everybody, for being here and enjoying this beautiful day. I'm so looking forward to enjoying my time with my grandson. I want to play and enjoy and have laughter and ensure that he grows up in the right and proper way. So I just wanted to say that I'm so excited for the time to come. So again, I just thank you all for being here. And that's it. Wonderful.
The rest of mine.
You're so funny. What's she cutting this now? A sponge? Okay, what you got in me now is a chocolate ganache. 4 tier chocolate ganache.
You know, you sound like.
Ingredients.
And finally, Mom.
Yes, the rum cake. 2013, the fruits were soaking for this special occasion. First one time. You're pretending. So I hope you enjoy it. Feedback, positive feedback is most welcome.
All right.